Salut tout le monde. Revenons sur Elex. Maintenant que nous sommes devenus un berserker, allons voir si nous pouvons avoir les quêtes à Ignadon auprès des clercs. Oui, des quêtes. Tu n'as pas une quête? À votre bon cœur, monsieur, dame. Je voudrais une quête. Petite quête. Eh, je peux dormir chez toi? Je testais les lits des clercs. Ça n'a pas l'air très confortable, les gars, vos lits. Ah, l'ambiance chez les clercs... L'ambiance chez les clercs, c'est pas trop ça. Hein. Mais si maintenant les clercs acceptent de me donner leur quête, j'aurais envie de dire, enfin Piranha Bytes aurait résolu son problème du fait que choisir une faction, ça t'handicape. C'est con, parce que normalement, choisir une faction, c'est censé te fournir un avantage. Un accès à des choses auxquelles que tu ne pourrais pas avoir autrement. Mais ça t'handicape parce que du coup, ça te coupe beaucoup de quêtes. Donc si là, tu peux choisir une faction et quand même avoir les quêtes des autres factions, ça voudrait dire qu'effectivement... Piranha Bytes aurait appris de ses erreurs. Toutefois, j'ai l'impression que personne ne me parle en fait.
If you're here to train with me, then forget it. What's the point in teaching berserkers how to use an Elix weapon? Don't you use the power of mumbo jumbo instead? Why did you come here?
I know how to defend myself.
So you say. But I'll bet as soon as you see an Alb Raider flying over your head, you'll crawl into a hole like everyone else.
Will that be the Mark 7 or the 8 with the reswept intakes? Because hiding won't work for those things. You're best dodging the attack runs, then aiming for the lateral vents.
You trying to tell me you could evade their target tracking systems?
Better by running than hiding in a hole.
No, no way. They'll shove your face in the dirt as soon as one turns up. Maybe someday I'll pick your brains about what you know. Until then, keep training.
How is the fight going against the Alps?
Badly. We've just lost a lot of good men out there. We only have Judicator Ulbrich's war strategy to thank for the fact that Hort hasn't been overrun by our enemies.
How can I train here?
I only train acolytes and above. And even then, I choose who I train. You must want to commit. You must want to understand the art of combat, not just the brutality of it.
So, you're a combat instructor.
I am Paladin Hagen, and I teach more than combat. I teach the art of fighting. Body, mind, and spirit combining into the finest fighting force. Only the purest, strongest, and smartest can train with me. You see, there's been war on this planet ever since that damn comet came down, bringing Elix with it, and we are the only ones who can end it.
You said you are a paladin?
Correct. Only a paladin is allowed to wear armor like mine. But we paladins aren't just warriors for Kalan with special abilities. But we are also researchers, searching for new uses for Elix.
How can I earn something for myself around here?
You take the next step of the journey and show your commitment. The Horde suffered an attack by mutants about a week ago. They came from the north or northeast, and the survivors returned that way. The men I sent after those survivors haven't returned. If you find out where the mutants are coming from,
I'll kill those mutants.
I'll give you the coordinates I sent my men to. See if you can find out what is bringing those mutants so close to the Horde. Then kill them and return to me. You're dismissed.
What good?
Okay.
What goods do you have? Ok. Non, non, mais ok, c'est pas la réponse. Je te demande, qu'est-ce que tu vends? Qu'est-ce que tu vends? Ok. Non. Non. Donc j'ai quand même une quête de sa part. Le mec ne veut pas m'entraîner. Je m'en fous. Je veux dire, j'en ai rien à foutre. Il semblerait que je puisse avoir au moins certaines quêtes. Peut-être toutes les quêtes, allez savoir. Ça m'étonnerait que je puisse les avoir toutes. Faut que j'aille trouver tous les pneus jeux qui donnent des quêtes. Il y a du taf. On peut pas se servir chez ces gens, j'imagine. C'est pas très sympa, les gars. J'aime absolument pas cette ville. Oh la vache. Oh, cette bouteille d'eau, elle est gratos. C'est généreux.
Skill and training can overcome, but sometimes it's just about being lucky.
If you don't try, you don't win.
If that is everything, I should get on.
Il y a peu de mecs qui ont des noms, hein.
I'm not gonna worry about that.
I would have approached the situation differently.
So, you're here to report for initiation.
Initiation?
Instruction. Education. A preparation for readiness. My name is Dietrich, and it is my job...
Qu'est-ce qu'un putain de schleufou encore là?
We'll face them. But before you ask any more questions, let's get one thing clear. I don't train berserkers. I'm not going to give you knowledge you'll then use against us. I wish I could. I wish we could fight side by side to stop the elves. But we must listen to our betters, and they still see us as enemies. If you want to progress, and that's what I need to see, that's what Kalan expects. It is what you should demand of yourself.
What do you want me to do?
Someone has been undermining the training program we have here. Some of the initiates have been caught taking chems. I mean, it's a crazy thing to do, but some people do it to gain an edge and end up becoming addicts. Look at the Alps. I need to find who is bringing this poison in and selling it to our initiates. You don't have something to do with it, do you?
Ah mais s'il te plaît.
Without proof, you should keep accusations like that to yourself.
I wanted to test your reaction. You'd be tied up and neck deep in jackal shit by now if I really thought you were behind it. Remember that, if you get tempted in the future. But whoever it is, I want these bastards dealt with. And if you found one set, can you find these assholes too? I want you to track them down wherever they are. In the Hort or beyond. Are you with me?
Totalement.
I will find the criminals behind this.
Good. There's a recon post there, in the ruins of an old fort. Start there. If our people don't... And tell them I want answers.
Why do you trust me with this?
You weren't here when all this started, so you can't be part of it. But this isn't just blind trust and hope. I'll be watching you and making sure you stick to the task.
If the training's so strict, how come you're just sitting around?
I do so every day, and my tasks aren't easy. I take care of internal matters and coordinate training. And I get into the field when I can. You have to stay sharp to provide the best training, and to understand our enemy. If we are to work with the free people, if the clerics are to save the free people from the Alps,
Ouais, mec.
this is
Pas
what we
modeste.
must do.
Si nous devons sauver les autres peuples libres. Bon, je récupère quand même des quêtes. Peut-être pas la totalité, je sais pas, faut que je fasse le tour de ce patelin pour Pour voir qui me parle, qui ne me parle pas. Enfin, est-ce que tous les... Est-ce que je vais avoir des quêtes? Je sais même pas en vérité si toutes ces villes ont beaucoup de quêtes. Parce que, comme le jeu te fait commencer à Aidan, j'imagine qu'à Aidan, il y a plus... Enfin, à Goliath, il y a plus de quêtes qu'ailleurs. Mais si, tu dois quand même avoir suffisamment de quêtes pour prouver ta loyauté. Mais je pense pas qu'il puisse y avoir autant de quêtes qu'à Aidan, qu'à Goliath. Ce serait dommage hein, d'ailleurs, parce que à Goliath, il y a vraiment pas mal de quêtes et t'as vraiment de quoi level up et tout, quoi. C'est classe. C'est très classe. T'as la même tronche que la moitié des gonzesses sur le jeu, toi.
Have you ever seen berserkers use magic?
Hey, no need to get riled. Well, yeah. I did hear some berserker once took out a whole chapter of mechs on his own. They were the old tight T5s, though. We've made a lot of improvements since then.
Et tu veux quoi, que je te pète un de tes trucs?
Berserkers better have improved your magic. Say, no offense meant. You must be able to look after yourself to have got here. If you can handle yourself, I could use your help.
What do you need help with?
A squad of combat mechs has gone haywire. They're refusing remote shutdown and are attacking anything that moves.
Oh.
I sent a recovery party to attempt a reset, but they're late making their report.
Ah, c'est pas ceux que j'ai pété là déjà?
To the recovery party and what's gone wrong with those mechs. There's another squad of mechs due off the assembly line, and I need to know what's gone wrong before they go haywire too. It's probably
Je crois que c'est ce que j'ai déjà fait comme quête.
ships. That's my guess. But I need
Okay, I'll bring you the AI chips.
good. And I hope it's just one batch that's effective. If this is a we'll have to track down. Get me those AI chips and
Tiens, elles sont là tes pièces.
I have the AI chips from the combat mechs.
you have? Excellent. Give them here. Did you find the recovery team?
I'm afraid they're both dead.
Damn it. I said we shouldn't have sent engineers.
D'ailleurs, envoyer des ingénieurs pour trouver, enfin, contre des mechas qui sont vénères,
Thanks for bringing these.
c'était très con les gars. Hein.
So, you're some sort of mechanic?
Mechanic? I'm a legate, responsible for procuring materials, producing new mechs, and repairing our mech squadrons, among other duties. Sure, the other legates are out there using their skills and suggestions to take the fight forward. But we're here giving the Horde the mechs that keep us safe.
Ok. Troisième quête, mais celle-là, elle est déjà complétée. Bon, c'est pas super vexatif comme quête, hein, mais bientôt niveau 20 quand même.
Replacing people.
Hey, you! I need an adjustable wrench and a set of retaining rings. And, if you are up for it, bring me a weapons-grade Elex battery, a pressurized air intake valve, and what was the last?
I'll get the things you need.
Wait a second. There is still something missing. Let me think now. Damn it, it was right here. I had it a moment ago. Adjustable wrench, retaining rings, pressurized air intake valve, and I'm still missing a few screws, of course. But what was the last thing? Not the orbital reset brake. At any rate, I have that. Pin 3 bracket arm. I know could it be that again? Think. Well, but...
Do you want my help?
Quiet. Oh, damn it, that's my line of concentration gone. You know how hard it is to get a moment's peace to think in this place? Damn it, what the hell was it that I was thinking about? I think we'll have to get the machines we build and maintain here. They are all that will stop the owls. But, do I get the resources I need to do the job properly? Do I, hell?
What's got you so stressed?
We used to work. We used to make things and think of the future. Now everything we do is for combat. I didn't become a mechanic for that, but I suppose we all have to do our duty if this war is to be won.
T'aurais plus de temps pour travailler si t'avais passé moins de temps à te plaindre.
Sounds like you think your work is important.
Now you're sounding like a legate. This isn't ego. This isn't about me. This is about getting the equipment our forces need. You don't think that's important? We are the only ones who can really stop the Alps. That takes a toll. That means everything here has to go smoothly. That means I've got to get production running at full capacity. And it means I need someone to take care of some of the day-to-day things while I get all this working properly.
Pay me, and I'll help you.
Deal. It's not like I have time to waste. I need you to get me a set of replacement parts. With all the mechanics we've lost recently, we are chronically undermanned here. So, this list has been sitting here waiting to be sorted. If you're available, I need you to get over to my supplier and get me those parts, okay?
C'est qui ton supplier?
No problem.
Thanks. I'll see you in... Good luck.
Where can I find your supply?
C'est ça la question.
He's a trader. He sets up business near the gate during the late evening hours.
Ah, lui, il peut t'apprendre des choses.
Teach me.
It's done.
Lui, il est ok pour t'apprendre des choses. Bon, j'ai pas de skill point, mais... Ouais, donc en fait, on peut quand même avoir une bonne quantité de... quêtes, hein. Enfin, une bonne quantité. On peut quand même avoir quelques quêtes chez eux. Ouh, c'est des Lex brutes, ça, les enfants.
Stop trying to sneak. I've seen you already.
Oui, ok, on a vu Sneak.
Stop trying to sneak. I've seen you already. I don't have any time right now.
Bon, j'en ai piqué un, c'est déjà ça. N'oublions pas que les Elex brutes, c'est jamais que 100 gold, quoi. Alors... J'ai tout un jeu de quêtes dans cette ville franchement, mais comment peut-on aimer cette ville, quoi? Je veux dire, c'est atroce. C'est littéralement atroce comme endroit. On a l'impression d'être sur un mauvais FPS, là. Ah, sérieusement, c'est vrai, on a vraiment l'impression d'être sur un FPS, quoi. Truc futuriste, bidon, là.
My mind is always left clear after talking to Baldur.
C'est quoi ici? C'est une espèce de cybercafé ou quoi? Oh bordel, c'est le boxon ici, hein. Oh là 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 là, quand voulez-vous vous retrouver dans un endroit comme celui-là? Oh là 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 là. Les gars, j'ai une de vos épées, ça vous impressionne pas? Non? Ok. C'est pas super chez vous les gars, hein. C'est un peu relou même, hein, je dirais. Toi, je t'ai déjà parlé, non?
Kalan be with you. What brings you to me? Are you here to pay your tithe?
I'm not here to pay anything.
All who stay here must pay their tithe to honor.
But as the highest suggester, I don't have much free time, as I'm sure you understand.
C'est dit que vous l'avez le cerveau avant cru. Non, non, mec, non. Peu de diplomatie.
Who have strayed from the path of the pure. As the high suggester, I assist the minds and souls of the lost to return to Kalan's ways through suggestion. Kalan's will works through a skill all clerics must learn. The mind must be free from false teachings. The body pure, free of the poison of Elex. Only then can we be at one with Kalan and his community. As a patriarch, it is my job to guide and advise. The will of Kalan clears the mind.
How do you clear someone's mind?
Through suggestion, we have developed technology, implants that allow us to guide the minds of others. It takes training, but it means we can bring people back to the pure path, or suggest to them that they do things that will assist us. It is an art that only the clerics understand.
Can Albs do that? With their mutants?
The machine components you see on some wasteland mutants? We believe those allow the Albs a measure of control over the mutants. But it is a crude form of the suggestion we practice here. Some say it is because they are strong of mind. Others that it is because they have been poisoned. But I think the answer is more straightforward. Their commanders are using an extreme form of brainwashing on them already. Their minds are already being controlled.
So this is where you brainwash people?
No. You can't force people to change who they are. You can only bring out their better traits. That is what I do. I re-educate people.
Je rééduque les gens. Eh, eux, c'est des communistes, quoi.
As a poor wretch who requires re-education. Leave me. I'm a faith.
Bon, le Balder, par exemple, ne me donne pas de quête. Non, mais les gars, y a pas écrit sur la porte interdiction d'entrée, hein.
Yes, I remember. Balder makes sense of everything. He is
Bon, aussi, hein, je peux utiliser un jetpack. Ah, les mecs, ils se la pètent, quoi, avec leur jetpack. Ah, j'ai la même chose, hein. T'es qui, toi, le prédicateur? Non, c'est la lumière de l'XP qui m'illumine. Le grand dieu XP.
I will.
Your dedication will be rewarded. Act in his name.
Tell me more about Kalan.
Before the comet burned the face of Magalan, the prophet Arvid foresaw the danger. He received the teachings of Kalan in whispers, and tried to warn the people of Magalan of the horror that was to come. They must reject the distractions of the world and give themselves over to the pursuit of knowledge. Each must seek the purity of knowledge. Each must seek out the strongest, the fittest, the brightest. And so, Kalan came to the people and promised, if they did this, if they worked together to follow the path to the infinite skies, then he would save them from the horror that was to
Ah ouais, donc eux, c'est vraiment le descendant de cieux infinis.
So, the comet destroyed the civilization that was here on Magalan. Now, if we are to survive the dangers that are yet to come, we must listen to the words of Kalan and hear his wisdom.
Mais les gens qui n'écoutent pas Kalan,
Be taken up into the infinite
ils sont aussi forts que vous, puisque vous êtes en guerre avec eux et que vous les battez pas.
will we truly see all. We must trust in Kalan.
Tu crois vraiment à cette merde de troll?
Up to the infinite skies, to where knowledge counts above all. There, we will truly see the universe as it is. The path to enlightenment is difficult, and only those who are worthy will receive Kalan's blessing. Look inside yourself and take my words to heart.
Allez.
May they
Allez,
be
mec, quoi.
guided in the times to come.
Who are you?
I am Oswald. When Brother Rayner found me, I was just a wretched pile of misery. I was blind to who I could be. Rayner built me up, gave purpose to my life. Now, I'm spreading the teachings that saved me from destroying myself, in hope that those words can be the salvation of others, that they can save all of Magalan. So I invite you to stay. For when Kalan...
Donc tout ce blabla et t'as pas de quête à me donner. Ouais, à mon avis, il y a quand même un certain nombre de quêtes qui ne me sont pas accordées. Hein. On va faire un test, tout con. Hein. Je fais une save. Je regarde où est Oswald. Ok. Je vais maintenant reprendre la save. Attention. Alors, elle est où? Attention. Là. Ok. Et je vais essayer d'aller voir Oswald et je vais voir s'il me donne une quête, tout simplement. Donc ça me permettra de voir si effectivement je dois valider mon choix de rejoindre les Berserkers ou pas. Si Oswald n'a pas plus de quêtes à me donner, c'est que finalement... Finalement ça n'a pas d'importance. Et ce serait bien que ça n'ait pas d'importance. Je veux dire, vraiment quoi. Ouais, blablabla. And blablabla. Ignadon à l'extérieur, bon ça va, c'est pas aussi chouette qu'Edan, mais ça va, je veux dire, voilà, ça passe. Mais alors cette ville, ah non quoi, non les gars, non, à quoi vous pensiez qu'on vous ait fait cette ville quoi? C'est juste horrible, c'est atroce, il n'y a pas d'âme, il n'y a rien, cette ville elle est froide, on dirait vraiment juste un patelin lambda dans un FPS quoi, un FPS un peu futuriste. Non, je veux dire, ça c'est vraiment la grosse faute de goût de ce jeu là pour l'instant. Je veux dire, autant ce jeu me plaît beaucoup, je trouvais qu'il avait une âme. Le monde est vraiment bien fait, il est bien décrit, il est vivant, il est... Pff, voilà quoi, je veux dire, je ne tarie pas d'éloges à propos de ce jeu. Autant cette ville...
Unless you just... But then I...
Tell me.
Have you ever...
Yeah.
I am surprised. But there's something about Arvid. And I can't... But will they let me in the... Concentrate...
So you...
No. All that I... There has to be a written copy. Or a recorded copy somewhere. And... so... No, but... I bet I would... I am... Then...
I will get...
Bon, j'en fous du truc, c'est juste... Certaine Eva qui a une quête à me donner. On va aller voir Oswald. Si j'arrive à le retrouver, il est là. Ouais, il est pas loin d'Oswald en plus.
Tell
You'd better to where there. But look in. Collect.
Non, il n'a pas plus de quêtes. Du coup, je vais reprendre la save rapide que j'ai faite tout à l'heure. J'ai vraiment passé beaucoup de temps à charger parce que j'ai 32 heures de play sur cette sur cette partie, alors qu'en réalité j'ai plus de 40 heures sur le jeu. Est-ce que toi, t'as toujours ta quête à me donner, toi?
You didn't come here to pray, did you? I can spot the devout, and you don't look like you're here to ask for divine assistance. Am I right?
T'as raison, j'ai pas besoin d'aide, d'assistance divine.
Need assistance.
Ha! I knew it. You know, there is a reason why I wanted to talk to you. For all the thirst for knowledge in this place, people can be a little focused. They want logic, straight answers. They forbid anyone from looking deeper into things. And that's crazy. I mean, knowledge is wisdom. Wisdom brings you closer to Kalan. So what's wrong with getting some answers? Which brings
Toi, t'as rien compris à la religion, toi.
betting you have answers, and I'm betting you're the curious type.
Ah, je parie que t'es du genre curieux. Kalan approuve les paris.
Does Kalan approve of betting?
Yes. No. Who knows? I mean, some of those texts are hard to work out. Unless you just believe what people say they mean. But then I guess that's why I keep getting in trouble. So,
Ouais, toi, t'as rien à foutre dans une ville de religieux, toi. Tu devrais plutôt être chez les berserkers ou plutôt chez les outlaws. Ou quoi. C'est quoi ton problème?
Tell me your problem.
have you ever heard of the prophet Arvid?
Parce qu'elle, elle m'explique qu'en fait, l'accès aux archives est interdit à la majorité des clercs. Et que donc les clercs sont obligés de croire les enseignements qu'on leur donne. Que les clercs ne sont pas autorisés à lire les livres sacrés, mais seulement à entendre les interprétations qui en ont été faites. Et elle dit, c'est pas logique. Si on veut vraiment avancer sur la voie de notre Dieu, il nous faut la sagesse. Et on ne peut pas atteindre la sagesse sans connaître la vérité. Donc il faut qu'on puisse lire ces livres, qu'on puisse avoir accès aux vraies réponses. Putain, toi, t'as rien compris à la religion, ma grande. La religion, c'est l'obscurantisme, c'est pas la sagesse et la vérité. Arvid, oui, j'en ai entendu parler. L'autre guignol, il vient de m'en parler là avant.
But there's something about Arvid. Something about those early works that doesn't make sense. And I can't work out why. But will they
Quelque chose ne cloche pas avec les premières œuvres d'Arvid? Bah oui, moi je peux te le dire ce que c'est. Hein.
I sneaked in. They threw me out. I was lucky to avoid re-education. Concentrate on what's right here, right now, they told me. It is only possible to change the future if you draw the correct conclusions from the past, they said.
Et donc, t'as besoin d'aller voir les archives.
So you need access to the archives.
No. Well, yeah, that would be great, but for now, I just need a book. All that I want is a copy of Arvid's teachings. There has to be a written copy, or a recorded copy somewhere, just not available to us out here. And that bugs me. So, do you
Oui, j'irai. En fait, le truc, c'est que leur religion, c'est que si tu écoutes les enseignements de Kalan, alors tu pourras aller au paradis, les cieux infinis. J'ai trouvé suffisamment de trucs de lore dans ma partie pour savoir que cieux infinis, en fait, c'était un projet secret d'avant le grand cataclysme, hein, avant la chute de la comète, où les meilleurs scientifiques devaient travailler sur un projet qui s'appelait Kal-En, donc pour la société cieux infinis, et que c'était un projet très malsain qui polluait à fond et dont certains responsables, enfin certains ingénieurs et chercheurs disparaissaient parfois de manière assez mystérieuse et sur laquelle les cadres et les chercheurs n'étaient jamais informés par rapport aux résultats. Donc c'est un truc très très louche et c'était juste une entreprise quoi. Donc c'est un projet de recherche très louche et eux ils ont travesti ça en une espèce de religion où tu vas aller dans les cieux infinis après. J'ai pas le charisme nécessaire pour lui suggérer d'aller travailler aux archives, donc je vais aller le faire moi-même.
Nobody. But please, I need your help. I beg you. I want want to understand why they won't teach us these things. I would
Tu veux
like to
comprendre
give
pourquoi
you
on t'enseigne pas ça? Je suis pas sûr que tu aimeras la réponse.
on your way. I am certain that I can get something from the recordings. Then, maybe, I'll finally understand what our purpose is.
Why is this book so secret?
Because we are to serve Kalan in combat and not to interpret his words. They say we are missing the necessary vision to understand his divine message. But I would like to learn that for myself instead of having it spoon-fed to me. Maybe it's nothing.
What can you tell me about the archives?
It's a store of knowledge from before the comet hit, and it is where all information found in the rest of the world is brought. Our archivists are attempting to glean all sorts of information from the scraps of data we were able to retrieve from outside the Horde. The work is very time-intensive, so the archivists don't like it at all when people interrupt their work. So, they will have you thrown out.
I will
Thank you.
Et comment je peux rentrer dans les archives?
get into the archives.
I've been thinking about that, and there are 3 ways. You could watch to see when Carl, the guard on the archives, leaves his post. That might take a few hours, and I personally have never seen him leave his post. But hey, he has to move at some point, doesn't he?
Ouais, faut bien qu'il aille pisser,
Or
oui.
you could access the security console and put your name on the access list. But the simplest and most obvious solution is for you to join the...
Donc join the clerics, non, ça va pas être possible.
Yeah?
Il y a quand même des gens qui apprennent qui acceptent de t'apprendre des choses, hein. Bon, j'ai plus de skill point et puis j'ai pas envie d'apprendre de skill en persuasion, en personnalité, en charisme, en tout ça.
You know you shouldn't be here, right?
Ah, c'est chez toi ici?
What are you doing here?
Hey! Je connais pas ce patte-là en jusite, ok? Si tu veux que je fasse ton boulot, t'apprends à fermer ta gueule. Quoi ces PNJ là? Bon, en tout cas, c'est bien, tu récupères de fait vraiment des quêtes, quoi. Ça me plaît. Salut, Ferdinand!
There's something you're looking for? I'm here to trade, and I can offer you top quality for a decent price.
T'as beaucoup de clients?
Do you have many customers?
Define many. Ignodon isn't exactly the center of commerce on Magaland.
Ça, j'aurais trouvé tout seul.
Time is a minor just to keep going. But, you know, I get by all in all.
Where do you get your goods from?
Mostly from the patrols we send out. They find all sorts of old world artifacts. And then there are the spoils of war, recovered from out there. Our enemies are a good place to get resources.
Ouais, ça c'est vrai. Tu vends quoi, l'ami?
What goods have you got?
Of course.
What goods have you got? Of course. Non. T'as quoi? Tu vends quoi? Bien sûr. Non, 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 non. Au niveau des marchands, vraiment, il y a des réponses non, quoi. Persuadeur, arme à une main. Persuadeur banal, ouais, donc c'est une masse, quoi. Ah oui, bah ça, pour persuader les gens, un coup de masse dans la gueule, c'est toujours efficace, effectivement. Je veux dire, c'est sûr. Mais tu vends de la merde, mec. Je le prends pas mal. Tu vends de la merde. Je te le dis. Alors... Ah, on revient chez Oswald.
Kalan, the dam in Abessa has been recaptured from the Alps and is in the hands of Kalan. Faith in
Stop! Where do you think you're going?
C'est quoi ça?
What is this area?
You are here at the Chamber, the Palace of Sinners. Break the commandments of Kalan and Ignodon, and the Chamber will...
Ah, c'est la prison, quoi.
Can you walk in and look around? Well, as it happens, you can. Reinhold recently ordered that everyone can enter to see with their own eyes what we do with heretics. So go in and look around. If anything will push back the power of temptation, it's what you'll see in there.
Ok. Donc c'est le centre de rééducation, quoi, en gros. Bonjour, monsieur robot. Je suis Nono, le petit robot. Oh, c'est chaleureux ici.
No, no, no. Not me.
Ben non.
I won't. Kalan will save me. Sin. No.
Those self-righteous bastards. They should all rot. Every last one of them. Can't you see the truth about them? And you? What about you? Are you planning to get me out of here with a magic trick? Or are you gonna break me out of here? Come on. There's no love lost between you berserkers and the clerics. Help get me out of here. Just get me the fuck out of here, will you? These bastards have got no right to keep me here.
Manifestement, t'es pas ici de ton plein gré. Ça, parfois ton personnage, il a des réponses, j'ai envie de dire, bravo Sherlock.
You're obviously not here willingly.
No shit. I was kidnapped so they could try and brainwash me into joining this cult. But they won't get me so easily.
How did you end up here?
They said we attacked one of their outposts. Total bullshit. What do they think I am, suicidal? Anyway, they wouldn't listen. They dragged me here and tried to brainwash me. But their bullshit didn't take. I remembered everything. And so instead of setting me free, they dropped me down here.
Where are you from?
Tavar. A bunch of these assholes came over the border. These idiots I was with were too busy fighting among themselves to see the clerics creeping up on us. They ambushed us out there and then dragged us to Ignadon after we'd been wounded.
But you do have a plan.
Plan? I don't have a plan. Not yet. I just know I have to get out of here. I won't let them turn me into some mindless slave.
Ton plan, c'est de buter tout le monde.
And you expect me to help you?
Expect? I don't expect anything. But I hope you can see what these clerics say about free people is bullshit. They don't care about freedom. They want to brainwash you. So, will you help me?
I know the dangers, but it's very wrong for him to be kept against his will.
Maybe.
Maybe? What's maybe? Maybe won't save you when they try to fry your mind, like they tried with me. You think on that.
So, about your escape. You must have some ideas.
First thing, it can't be my escape. I want my friend to get out of here too. I gotta get my friend Wolf out of here somehow. Only problem is, he's already one of them. He thinks he's a fucking cleric. I've spoken to him. He doesn't remember a damn thing about me. Or where he came from. But that's not your problem, I suppose. I can handle that if you give me a weapon and a disguise. Get me that, and we can move forward from there. But hurry. I don't know how long I can hold out against the Suggestors.
Is there any equipment?
Well, my axe will be useful. I'll bet it's being stored. They store anything they can. It's bound to be guarded, though, so be... And if you can get me some clothing from the merchants in the miners' quarter, I can escape in this clothing. But when you get the stuff, bring it all together, okay? This cell doesn't give me a chance to hide anything from the eyes of the clerics, okay?
Ok. On récupère des quêtes, c'est bien. Franchement, je suis très content qu'ils soient... qu'ils étaient plus intelligents dans leur développement que sur Risen, par exemple. Bon, après, sur Risen, les factions sont en guerre. Mais là aussi, les factions sont en guerre. Et pourtant, voilà, quoi. Sur Risen, ils devraient comprendre que même si les factions sont en guerre, bah, les hommes du Dawn, ils seront nécessaires aussi pour combattre l'ennemi. Il y a un ennemi commun, quoi. Détenu mort.
What is it you want? It's prayer time, so make it quick.
is this place?
Here, we bring peace and honor to those who refuse Kalan. For only an honorable death can bring salvation. Only an honorable death can purify a tainted soul. And so, I bring honor to the souls who break Kalan's commandments.
Oh, mec.
Cruelty.
Think what you want, Berserker. But you will see what happens when you stand before Kalan one day, and he turns you away. Then you will pray for this honor.
And I thought exile was cruel enough.
Ces gens sont complètement barrés, quoi. Leur putain de religion. Hein. Complètement barrés, quoi. Ces gens sont des tarés, en fait. Des tarés complets, quoi. Ah, c'est vraiment une faction que j'ai pas envie de rejoindre, hein, les clercs. J'ai avoué, d'un point de vue purement RP, comment peut-on avoir envie de rejoindre cette faction, quoi? Des tarés qui se sont fait laver le cerveau, quoi. Mec, pas sérieux. Alors, il faut que j'aille dans le bâtiment des suggesteurs. Bah, j'avais trouvé le grand maître des suggesteurs, là. Maître d'armes. Cathédrale. Oh. Et toi, Arms Master?
Any asshole caught stealing will be sent to...
Why do you assume everyone wants to steal from you?
I have my reasons.
T'es un peu parano, mec, hein?
I have to look after my stocks. We're low on resources here. I can't go wasting them on thieves. And sure, it would be great if every acolyte could get the armor we make for paladins, but my supplies are limited. Only those who have acquired that rank can get that reward. And you, my friend, will not get anything from me.
Mais t'es un gros connard, je veux rien de toi.
And you will never be one. You
T'es un gros connard, mec.
Stone and metal. Only they spent such effort healing the planet instead of ripping her flesh from her bones.
Elexite, c'est naze. J'aurais à la foutre de voler un Elexite. Et ça, on peut voler? C'est pas du vol.
So, here is the wanderer I have heard about.
You've heard of me.
I know everything that happens here. So much so that some have taken to calling me the Eye of Kalan. I am Reinhold, Judicator. I stand watch for all those in the Hort, and the Hort stands as the guardian for all of Magalan. Such a duty requires vigilance. It means I must ask of everyone who comes here, are you friend or foe? Do you come here to gain the blessings of the clerics, or to oppose us?
Is it possible?
No. But your loyalty must then trade, explore, meet our people while you are here. May your time in the...
Tell me about the other Judicators.
Judicator Johann fell on the battlefield. His is the highest honor. May Kalan have mercy on his soul. Judicator Ulbricht is responsible for the defense of Edan and all operations outside its borders. His is the grave duty of overseeing the war against the Owls. If you have any intelligence that might help him in his duties, you will find him in the upper halls of the cathedral.
Tell me more about the clerics.
What would you like to know?
What's happening in the city?
Kalan is wise, but mysterious. Through the prophet Arvid, he warned us of the comet and the downfall of our world. He laid down the foundations for the clerics out of the ashes of the old civilization. To Kalan, knowledge and wisdom are sacred. It is through knowledge and understanding that we can find our way to the infinite skies.
Infinite skies.
A place of true enlightenment and salvation.
Est-ce que je peux lui dire ce que j'ai appris sur Infinite Skies, non?
Fires will not be the only challenge we face in our quest for survival. If we are to save the people of this world, then we must work. Because
Non, je peux pas lui en dire plus, dommage.
Technological knowledge.
Arvid himself left behind this knowledge. The gathering of old world knowledge, and the order to further it, was his greatest gift to all who have followed him. It has given us the machines that allow our way of life to continue. It has given us the technology we need to be ready for the next challenge we face. So, as you see, science and religion do not have to be mutually exclusive.
Tell me how promotion works within the Horde.
People who are new to our ranks are welcomed as an acolyte. Acolytes can learn the art of suggestion, train and learn the fundamentals of our way of life. The same applies for our legates and paladins. Each new rank brings new advantages, obligations, and privileges such as equipment.
So, who are you? The welcoming committee?
I am adjudicator. I oversee everything in the Horde, from punishment to initiation.
Toi, t'es le superviseur de ce patelin. Ah, c'est ça, les archives.
What wisdom?
The scriptures. Hear and then
Ouais, bla bla bla.
Forget it.
Then don't allow.
You must be dedicated to do this role.
It's my life. I guard here. I keep the archives safe. I draw strength from Kalan. A prayer break in the night is enough to keep me going for the rest of the day. Now, do.
Ok, donc il prie une fois pendant la nuit.
Do you also study the old world?
Of course. If we repeat the mistakes of our ancestors, it could lead to another catastrophe. That is one of the.
Oh là, une comète qui s'abat sur ta planète, c'est pas une question d'erreur de tes anciens là.
Who knows what corrupting influences these artifacts could have?
What do you study?
Everything that brings us closer to our goal.
What does that mean?
It means passing Kalan's tests. Kalan only takes those who are pure, and so to preach his words, we must be the purest of all. And knowledge, facts, interpretation, and science is the purest of all the forms of study. It brings clarity to the mind. To achieve purity of the soul, we must understand ourselves. The berserkers and the outlaws they live in the moment. We have committed our.
Where do you get the material to study?
It takes persistence and luck. We send out our reclamation squads to search old world ruins. First, the selected area has to be pacified. As soon as that is done, we begin salvaging the valuable pieces and bringing them here.
Those areas tend to be infested with mutants.
There's a lot of planning involved. But even so, there are expeditions that don't go perfectly. Kalan teaches that knowledge comes at a price, and it is those who dedicate themselves to the recovery of these artifacts that pay the highest price. I'd better return to my... You must seek... Be careful. Stay... How? Until you under...
Forget.
Then don't... Kalan...
Is that...
Of course.
Can I read?
You?
Why not?
Because only those... You have...
I think...
Good.
Donc en fait, le mec, la nuit, il va prier. C'est lui-même qui me l'a dit. Donc il faudra que je me repose jusqu'à la nuit et que je vienne attendre qu'il prie. Judicateur Ulbricht. Oups. Pas très malin, ça. Ah, c'est pas la nouvelle recrue, c'est le nouvel arrivant, là, en l'occurrence.
Conflict, friendship, betrayal, and
Let me get a look at you. Whatever you have seen, you are free of it now. You've reached us here.
This is the worst place to come for that. The clerics define themselves by the past.
The past sets rules for us to follow. But for individuals, each must have a chance to rewrite themselves.
Au niveau de la traduction, elle est globalement pas mal. Hein. Je dirais que 98%, 99% de la traduction est vraiment très très bien. Mais il y a quand même quelques moments où la traduction n'est pas tout à fait fidèle et rend pas tout à fait l'idée ou l'esprit de la phrase qui a été dite. Mais c'est quand même assez rare. Et vu la quantité de texte, parce que c'est un jeu qui est quand même très lourd en texte et en parlotte, je pense qu'ils ont quand même fait du bon boulot. Hein.
Say that they are leading the fight against the Alps. But do you really expect you can beat them with the forces you have here in the Horde?
Faith is a weapon that can achieve much. I believe in Kalan. I believe in the technology he's given us, and in the men and women who carry it. We clerics were the first of the factions to rise after the ashes of the Comet. And while other alliances have come and gone, we have prevailed. So, we shall continue to do so, if it is Kalan's will that we should do so. But if you ask me if we can hold out against the Berserkers, the Outlaws, and the Elves, then I would ask who's interested with the destruction of the Horde serve. And the answer can only be the Elves. You've seen them. The converters they built on our lands. The will of Kalan shall be made real. We will drive them from the converter in the north and from the lands of all the free people. The clerics shall prevail, and I hope that other factions can realize this in time to...
Vous avez vraiment un problème d'ego. Hein.
You need to find someone to unite the factions.
We must work together if we are to survive. But we must work together with Kalan to lead us all. We must find a way to persuade the other factions to agree to work with us. Then together we can destroy the Elves. I need an ambassador for this task. Someone who can take my proposals to the other factions. But to know if you're suitable for this role, I must know who you are. And I need an honest answer.
I don't know who I am now, but I was Jax, an Alp commander.
And you walk in here and confess that? Since when do Elves come to talk? Are you lying? Or are you here to kill me? Draw your weapon here, and this cathedral will be a grave to both of us.
Tu voulais une réponse honnête.
I was Jax. Now, I'm trying to find out who I am.
Then, you have renounced the hybrid and joined the free people?
I am free from Helix. I'm exiled from the Ice Palace. I was betrayed, and now I'm being hunted by my own people.
So you are here seeking protection? To save your own skin? Or have you really escaped the Helix and seen the life there is outside Zekro? Commander Jax, the Owl, standing here. That is not something I would have believed. Yet, here you stand.
I was a wanderer. Now, I seek a cause.
Well, whoever you were shouldn't matter. The present counts for all, and yesterday for little. Kalan says the past is there to teach us, not judge us. Renounce your past, and you can come to Kalan in wisdom. That will take courage. And in these bleak days, courage is vital if we are to save this world. But you must have questions. Ask.
Are the Alps still attacking the Horde?
It has been some time since their last major assault. But I'm sure you know that already, Commander Jax. For the attacks we suffered, too many brave souls. Souls who would have been better improving Magalan than lining graves. The death of Judicator Johan was a particular shot. But for the price that was paid, there was one exacted, and the Elves haven't attacked us in such strength again. Well, that is my hope. They could simply be massing for a bigger assault.
C'est exactement ça.
We've had time to retrain, regroup. But it is hardly a secret that we are short of personnel. So, if you are here working for the Elves, and we know that the Elves have used the time to entrench themselves deeper at that damned converter of theirs. Perhaps securing that was the extent of their plans, or perhaps they're just waiting for us to attack it before...
Ah, moi je peux l'attaquer, hein, ce convertisseur.
The most recent information I have is that Commander Yurik has 3 garrisons supported by fighting machines, Colossi.
Then I can only hope they haven't brought up any more reinforcements.
Will you wait for an Alp attack, or strike first?
The converter has to be taken out of operation. It is the only way to free Ignadon, and the longer they sit there, the more time they have to prepare. We need to attack the converter, but it will take a major offensive, and that will cost us in lives and material.
Why have you waited so long to attack? Surely they get stronger while you're waiting.
The answer to that should be obvious when you walk around the hut. While our production lines have made up for our losses in fighting machines, they can't do the same with people. And the death of Judicator Johann has left us with another issue.
Il faut un leader. Bah oui. C'était quoi ce flash?
Can you lead the attack?
No. That is far from my skill set. Logistics, defense, and interpreting Kalan's commandments are where my strengths lie. We need someone like you, an experienced commander, someone who understands.
Donc tu veux que je mène tes armées dans une attaque?
You've seen the world. You must understand something of the Alps. Will you fight with us? Soldier or commander?
I don't know. My memories of those times are only fragments. But I'm sure I was betrayed so someone could take my place.
No? Well, humility is an important trait in a leader. Or do you have another reason for not wanting to be considered?
If that is so important, why entrust it to someone who has just walked in through your doors? Do you always trust people so easily?
I trust my faith. And there is something about you that tells me you have a part to play in all that will come. Faith will show me the way. But perhaps you are intended for a different role. Will you go out as an ambassador to the free people? Speak to those who lead the other factions. Find me someone with experience. Someone independent. Someone who can lead. That in itself will give you...
I will find you, Jurg.
Good. This commander will be they separate. Find someone with experience of... Someone willing to risk themselves to stop the Alps. Someone willing to...
You sound like you really believe.
Faith and necessity.
Donc il veut que je trouve un commandant chez les autres factions ou les neutres pour mener son assaut contre les Albes. Moi j'aurais bien été dire séparatiste. Hein. Franchement, j'aurais bien vu les séparatistes dans ce rôle. Les séparatistes connaissent les Albes. Le chef des séparatistes, à mon avis, sera plutôt un bon commandant pour ta troupe. Salut garde. Ça, vous faites vraiment très Stormtrooper les mecs. Hein. Un mélange entre les Stormtroopers et les Cylons de Galactica. Mais bon, je parle de la série d'origine, hein, pas la merde qui a été refaite il y a 10 ans. Parce que, comme dit ce remake, c'était vraiment de la merde. Il y a quelqu'un en dessous. C'est les archives, apparemment. Donc lui, il faut que j'attende qu'il aille... il va même pas pisser, le mec. Il va juste prier. Donc il faut que j'attende la nuit. Oh! How convenient, diraient certains. Comme c'est pratique. Un téléporteur juste à côté de l'endroit où faut que tu ailles la nuit. Carte demeure des suggesteurs. Ah, c'est donc ici, quelque part, qu'il y a la hache de Joe Laburge. Toi, t'étais déjà devant ce distributeur de bouffe tout à l'heure. Tu vas y rester longtemps, mec? Où le stuff est-il gardé? Bah, j'imagine dans la pièce où... Bah, certainement pas dans cet endroit, c'est la cuisine. Je sneak dans la cuisine. Tu aurais dû apprendre le sort camouflage, mec. À mon avis, ça aurait été plus intelligent. J'avoue. Là, j'ai des sorts pour frapper comme un sauvage. Mais en l'occurrence, sur cette quête, c'est pas nécessairement ce que je vais chercher. Hein. C'est clairement pas ici que j'ai trouvé la hache de Joe Laburge. Eh, je me cache. Bon, ça fait 1 heure que j'y suis, là, un peu plus d'1 heure même. Falloir que que j'arrête ici. Hein. Salut poteau. Bon, je ferai une pause et puis on reviendra pour s'attaquer à quelques quêtes à Ignadon. Donc je vous souhaite une bonne journée, je vous dis à bientôt, ciao tout le monde.